was drunk on my mind when we kissed for the first time.
Hi guys, I hope you all doing well. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another video. So today I want to tackle some laundry. Okay, I want to begin with laundry, so give me some company. So I have so many different clothes for the baby, mine and their school uniforms.
Through the door and hope to lose you in the night, but you burn in my mind. Said you're of a habit that chased me through time. Now every time I see your face, it's like the first time we met and I told you to go back home again. Now every time I see your face, it's like the first time we met and I told you to go back home again. Go back home again. Go back home again. Go back home again. Go back home again.
As the clothes are washing, let's restore order in this kitchen.
But you can see right through all of the cracks in my blinds. So I break down inside. I've given up on hoping that I won't call your phone line. 'Cause every time I see your face, it's like the first time we met and I told you to go back home again. Yeah, every time I see your face, it's like the first time we met and I told you to go back home again. Go back home again. Go back home Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
I'm going to soak them in Jik, and then I'll wash them maybe tomorrow because it's already evening.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too.
Hey guys, so I'm done with the laundry, I'm done with washing the utensils, so I want to prepare some dinner. Yeah, so I have some vegetables, African vegetables in the fridge. I cooked them yesterday. Yeah, so I'm not going to, I didn't shoot that because I already have a video of the African vegetables. The link is in the description box. You can click on the link and see how I do my African vegetables, creamy ones actually. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you how I do beef today. And, I want to do some cucumber salad. Yeah, so watch to the end to see how I make the amazing cucumber salad with only cucumber, mint, and vinegar. Yes.
We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious.
For cucumber salad, we're going to need cucumber, vinegar, salt, and mint leaves. These are dried mint leaves. Yeah, not fresh ones. This is the best for this salad.
Reaching for stars. I wonder where you are.
She stole a smile and my heart responded. She's everything I never knew I wanted. And money won't buy her happiness. Yeah, she's my kind of glamorous. Natural beauty, what it's all about. Tell something to me, can't figure it out. I never thought that I would find someone that I can't resist. This might be as close to heaven as I will ever get. I see perfection and a
This is
heart
vinegar.
gold.
Say vinegar.
Always got my attention. Beautiful soul. Beautiful soul. Heart of gold. Beautiful soul. Always got my heart of gold. I see perfection and a heart of gold. Always got my attention, beautiful soul. Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all